RGB is cool and all, but I don't know. It's a little too busy behind me. Let's do something about that. So we get 4 of these panels in the box, and then we can cut them to size to your wall. They're 8 foot. I'm cutting mine in half to 4 foot. So they already have sections in here. It looks like every 6 inches. They're actually 8 inches right here. Mine's gonna be right here. This is the 4 foot. I went ahead and made me a line. And now what I'm gonna do is take the skill saw and saw it. All right, so now I have my 2 pieces. Let's go inside and see how they fit. I'm going to say I've been using these now for about a month now. And I mean, the only complaint I have is I got to go spend more money so I can put them all the way around my office. These right here, these little square ones, these are by AeroZoom. AeroZoom has some really, really nice ones. They just don't have no full panel ones. But I really like the diffuse in these AeroZooms right here. I have a link with 10% off for AeroZoom as well, but I also have links to these right here that are on Amazon. There'll be Amazon affiliate links. Anything helps this channel out and helps me grow a little bit more on this channel or get more products to see if it's actually worth my money to make sure it's worth your money. That's my goal right here. My goal is to make sure it's worth our money before we buy it, man. I got tired of watching all these reviewers out here telling you, get it, get it, get it, it's good. No, I'm gonna let you know everything. All right, so as far as cutting it, as you've seen, I have a 5-inch skill saw that I cut. You can use a little hacksaw with this instead. You don't have to use a skill saw. I I think so. Where I was cutting it at, there's actually little bitty braid nails sitting on it. I think you need to go just under that a little bit because what will happen is the foam on the back will come apart just a little bit, just at that one point. It doesn't come like come off, come apart, but it to me, I should have went just a little bit more on it, but just by a smidge. Just leave those brads on there, like you'll see in the video where I drew the line at, just a little bit more because you can cut these to size. They're 8 foot, and again, I only needed 4 foot. I mean, I could have put 5 foot and went to the ceiling, but this is a little older of a house, so the walls ain't as straight or even as they should be. So I went ahead and just did mine 4 foot just to give me a nice background right here. But like I said, I really now I want to go all the way around right here and of course in front of me as well because the soundproofing of these, which is what they're for, is phenomenal. Hanging things up like my lamps, hanging my lamps and stuff up on them, very easy to go through it. I do know they make little bitty things to go in between or even lights that you can get to go in between it. I got a few more things, but I just wanted a cleaner look, not so much RGB. I have a little bit of RGB right here, but I didn't want to go overboard. I wanted a cleaner aesthetics for my background for doing my reviews and everything else. But 100% these things work like they're supposed to, whether you want to put them in a theater room, your office, your studio, they work, they're clean, they're stylish. I mean, 100% they're worth your money. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.